If you're someone who likes to do video effects like masking and you think that Canva doesn't have this feature, you are wrong. You're going to go to create a video, and I chose Instagram Reel as my size for this project. Then you're going to upload a video. Now, to get the effect where I had two of me talking to each other basically, I recorded the same video without moving the camera. That is the trick. Do not move the camera. So I recorded myself walking in from one side of the screen and then later on walking in from the other side of the screen. First, I take me walking in from this side of the screen. I'm going to go right to where I start to walk in, and I'm clicking so that my video is selected. I'm going to go up top and click split, and I don't need that front part, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to go to the end of this little section, and then I'm going to split again. Now I'm going to find from the other side. My acting skills are just impeccable. Now I'm going to cue it up to right before I step on, hit split, and click split again. So I don't need this big part, and I don't need the end. So here are my two clips, walking in from one side, pointing at myself, and walking in from the other side and freaking out. So what I want to do is I'm going to click and drag that second piece and lay it right over the top. I'm also going to make this a little bigger so we can really see. Now in some things like CapCut, you would click mask or overlay, that kind of stuff. Here we're just going to click on that top clip, and I'm going to click background remover. Now depending on how intricate your video is or how long your video is, this could take a while, so don't give up. And now I'm going to go front and just hit play. There you can see my hand overlaps a little bit. So what I'm actually going to do is I have that top one selected. I'm just going to make it a tiny bit smaller and scooch this me over a little bit. So when I have the two clips that I like the best, I can also add text over it, just like normal, add a text box, and it adds onto the top layer of video, and I can change the text, and I'm going to title it Masking in Canva, make it a little bigger. I'm going to click on my title, change the color. Let's do hot pink. Effects, I did outline, and I want to outline it in white. Change the thickness of that outline to be extra fun. And let's go to animate. And you know what? Let's make this burst onto the scene. Move that up a little bit. And then if I select that top video and I go up to audio, the little volume button, and I'm going to turn that down, and that's the video's audio for that. And I do want to add a little scream because the left me does scream right there. So if I go to elements and I go to audio, I'm going to search elements for scream, and then I'm going to drag it and drop it right on my timeline, right where I want it to start, and let go. And notice how that top video went a little longer, so if I drag, and it should kind of snap into spot. Notice how like the dots show up to let you know that's in line now. And we can preview. And if I want to share it, I can click share, download it as an MP4, or I can share, and I can even share it straight to social media. I can go right down to social, and there are all these social channels that you can log into and share seamlessly through Canva. You can even schedule the post for a later date. If I choose Instagram, I can then choose the date and time that I want it to post along with the caption. So now you know how to make a mask in Canva without using an actual mask, but by using background remove. For more tips like these, subscribe to Sarah Gus Designs.